my friends. Are you having a good day today? Yay! Oh, I'm so glad you're having a good day. Well, my friends, I'm so excited. Today, we are going to have a scavenger hunt party. Do you like scavenger hunts? Yay! Well, awesome. I'm going to tell you how to play our scavenger hunt today in case it's your first time having a scavenger hunt with me. So what we're going to do is I'm going to play some music. And when I play the music and turn it on, I want you to go in your house or wherever you are, and I want you to find some items for me. So, what item in your house should we find first? I know. I think for our first item, I want you to find your favorite stuffed animal, okay? So we're going to play the music and go find your favorite stuffed animal. Here we go. Yay! Go find your favorite stuffed Is everybody back? Yay! Hi, my friends. Okay, everyone, hold up your stuffed animal. Did everyone find a stuffed animal for our scavenger hunt? Yay! Look, I brought my pink penguin. She's one of my favorite stuffed animals. She's so cute. Let me see your stuffed animal. Wow, I love it. Great job, everyone. Good job finding your favorite stuffed animal. Okay, now put these items down and let's start finding item number 2. Okay, for our second item, I want everybody to go and find something red. Yeah, look, this color. Can you find something red? Yay! Okay, here's the music and let's go! Find something red! Here we go! And ta-da! Is everybody back? Yay! Great job, my friends. Okay, let me see. Did you find something red? Yay! Good job, everyone. For my red item, I found a red bandana. You can wear this if you're going maybe to the rodeo, like cowboys and cowgirls wear this little bandana. So yay! Now, let me see. What red item did you find? Wow, that looks amazing! Good job, and it's the color red. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to put this red item down, and on the count of 3, we're going to go find our favorite snack. I'm getting hungry, everyone. So I want you to find something you like to eat. Okay, so maybe go look in your kitchen for this one. You might need to ask your mom or your daddy to help you if you need to grab your favorite snack, or it could be anything that you like to eat. Okay, everybody, here we go. Let's find our favorite snack. Let's go! And ta-da! Yay! Did everybody find their favorite snack? Oh, wow, look at that yummy food. Y'all are making me hungry. Okay, so for my snack, I found some cookies because I love to eat cookies. Do you like to eat cookies? Yeah, me too. Okay, now let me see. What did you bring? Tell me. Wow! Oh, that looks so good. I want to eat some of those too. Okay, now let's put that item down and let's go find our next thing. So for our next item, you guys are doing so good. I'm going to give y'all 2. Can you find 2 items for me? Okay, so I want you to find something big and something small, okay? So find me 2 items, something really big and something really small. Can you do that? Yeah? Yay! Okay, here we go. Something big and something small. Let's go, everyone! That was a hard one, my friends. Look at this. I found a giant pillow. And for my small item, I found a little car that fits in my hand. Look. Vroom, vroom. Yay! Good job, everyone. Let me see. Tell me, what big item did you find? Yay! Good job. And now, let me see. What small item did you find? Wow! Yay! Good job! Something big and something small. Very good, everyone. Okay, now put those items down and let's find our next thing. You guys are doing so amazing. Now, for this next one, I want you to find, let's do something learning. Something where I can learn. I know. I want you to find me your favorite book. Okay, everybody, you know, like how you read at night, maybe? Maybe the book is in your room or in your library area. Let's find our favorite book. Here we go. Okay, on the count of 3, let's all hold up our favorite book. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Yay! Good job, everybody. I'm glad everyone found our favorite book to read. Okay, now let's see. Our next item, I'm going to give y'all another 2 item find, okay? So for this one, I want you to find something soft and something hard, like a rock, okay? So something hard and something soft. Can y'all find me those 2 things? Yay! Okay, everyone, here we go! Okay, now everyone, hold up your soft item. What did you find? I found these 2 cute little pandas. They're so soft. Oh, yay, very good. Okay, here's our soft item. And then your hard item for this, I found a school bus. He has like wheels and he's real tough, this school bus. So, yay, something hard and something soft. Very good, everybody. Okay. Now, put those items down, and for our next item, this one's going to be our last one, my friends, okay? But this one's going to be fun. I want you to find me your favorite toy. Yeah, okay, everybody, your favorite toy. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go find our favorite toy. Yay! Very good, my friends. So for mine, I found Miss Barbie here. I love playing with dolls and animals and action figures. So I brought Barbie today for my favorite toy. What toy did you bring? Wow! That is awesome! I love that toy. I want to get one of those too. Very cool. Awesome, my friends. Okay, well, you guys did so awesome at our scavenger hunt today. Yay! Very good. Now, let's clean up our items, okay, for our mommies and daddies. Can we put all of our items away? Yay! Okay, let's clean up and put our items away, okay? So I'm going to start the music, and when I turn the music off, everybody come back, okay? And hopefully all your items are put away. 1, 2, 3, here we go! Here we go, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That was a lot of cleaning. Is everybody back now? Yay! Okay, well, I brought my friend Mickey Mouse, and we're going to tell everybody bye today. We had so much fun playing our scavenger hunt with you. Okay, everybody, say bye!